Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. Let's kick this off by trying to overcome that one failure I had with my arch nemesis, the rainbow shots. Damn those rainbow shots. So today I'm here once again trying to redeem myself by making the rainbow shots again. And this time I hope I will not fail. Let's get started. Hope ही कर सकते हैं, अब तो उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. This time I'll be making the rainbow shots in a transparent glass so that I know how the layering is going and if I'm going to fail or succeed. Let's find out. So for these rainbow shots, all you need is some Grenadine, some blue Curacao, some vodka, gin, whatever white spirit you have, and some orange juice. Let's start with about 30 ml of Grenadine. After the Grenadine, add lots of ice. After the ice, add about 120 ml of orange juice. As you can see, I've already measured and kept it over here. Now, let's pour it in. Before we move further, let's line up those shot glasses. So now we have 7 shot glasses, just like 7 colors in the rainbow. After your shot glasses are ready, let's quickly get back to the beaker. So as you can see, we have the layer of Grenadine and orange juice on top. After this, add about 60 ml of vodka. Now, after the vodka is the tricky part. Now, you have to add your blue Curacao quickly because it is heavy, it will seep down. And we don't want that. The moment of truth. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? हो तो गया कुछ. So there it is guys, the rainbow shots attempt number 2. Much better than the previous time. Okay, I think we are there. मतलब थोड़ा सा बचा to perfection, but quite good. And do let me know in the comment section if you count this as a success or a failure. I count this as a success. And on that almost perfection, it's time to end. Hope you enjoyed the video and you know what to do. Encourage us. Until next time. Cheers.